you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with Nadula hair. I'm super excited because I have their 13x4 lace frontal balayage highlight Jerry curl wig. She's 180% in density and she's 24 inches. But let's get into this lace. Do y'all see how small those knots are? They did not come to play. Nadula, yes, sis. Yes. But anyway, y'all, this is the full construction of the wig. It does come with a glueless elastic band, so you can wear it glueless if you like, which is a plus. And I'm just giving you guys another look of the hairline before I do any of my personal customization. That hairline is A1. And this is just a clip of me conditioning the hair just using my Aussie conditioner. Look at those curls. They look so juicy. All right, so this is going to be my first time, I believe, I don't know, installing a balayage curly unit. So I'm super excited. It's been a couple of weeks since I bleached the knots, washed the hair, conditioned it, plugged it, and all that good stuff. So the curls are looking a little dry. We're going to refresh them later. Don't worry, okay? Just going to go ahead and tint the lace using my Kiss Tintation Spray. I will have this and all the other products I use in the description section. I'm trying something new today to cut off the lace, and I'm just using these craft scissors, specifically this green pair because it has like a bunch of jagged edges on there. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace we do not need. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I think I have to keep using the scissors, but I think I like it, y'all. I think I like it. We're gonna go ahead and melt this down. Now, the key to having a flawless melt is to, first of all, you have to have good lace. That's just key. Okay. Second of all, you need a good lace spray. I would recommend this one, the Kiss lace spray or Ebin spray. I don't use lace glue, so I don't have any to recommend. But anyway, I put 3 layers of that. I'll allow that to get tacky by using my blow dryer. Once it's tacky, we're just gonna go ahead and align the wig with where I place that product, and we're just gonna lay that product in there. Now, I want to stress this point a little bit. Don't pull your lace super duper tight when laying your wig down, because it will create a ripple effect and it will be wavy, and you don't want that. You don't want nobody looking at your head thinking of, you know, crinkled cut french fries or anything. Y'all get my drift. I'm just going back in and spray a little bit of the lace spray on the back of my finger and tapping into the hairspray. This is just going to ensure that everything looks like one, because sometimes it be white and ashy looking when it's not well blended. I also go over it again with some spritz, and then I will add my elastic band after I allow the spritz and the spray to dry down a little bit. All right, so we're going to take this bad boy off. Take her off and see what she's giving. And she's giving. Do y'all not see that? Don't play with her, period. So I'm just adding some wax to the hair. I know I over bleached those knots. We going to fix that. I'm going to show you guys how to. No problem. After I add the wax, I do go in with my hot comb. Be mindful, my hot comb is dirty. It is the dirt, the product built up on that hot comb that's burning off, not the hair, okay? I did go ahead and pull out some baby hairs because y'all know I cannot live without my baby hair. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut at an angle. We're gonna take our 1-inch flat iron and we're gonna curl towards our face. You can curl away from your face towards your face. It really doesn't matter. After that, I'm going to take a little bit of this got2b glue spray and spray it on my edge brush. And we're just going to swoop those baby hairs to perfection, okay? Or to your liking. If you guys are OGs, y'all know this is a staple. Y'all know I used to always use the spray to form and mold my baby hairs. I'm just trimming them up because y'all know I don't like the big baby hairs touching my brows. So we're going to clean up the part. Stick your comb in there and just spray the spray, okay? Spray it on both sides of the comb. And your over bleach knots is fixed. Simple solution, right? Now we're just going to take some concealer and clean up that part. And this is Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. I'm just going to spray my hair lightly with some Sebastian hairspray. And this is just to lock in you know, my hairline. I like that sleek, but I don't want it too straight at the top because y'all know I just don't like that. Now I'm just gonna lightly mist the hair with some water. I didn't add any products because I was styling this unit, but if you just was gonna wear this in its natural state, just be sure to go in with some conditioner or leave-in conditioner and some water so your curls can look revived. But like I said, I was gonna style it, so I didn't want to add too much products. Look at the density on this. Look at the volume. This is cute. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. All right, so we're just gonna do this quick style. Like, I was just trying to create something off the top of the dome. I was gonna do like that rubber band style I was thinking of, or I was gonna do some flat twists, but I said I ain't got time for that. I was actually really already running way late, so I was like, we're just gonna do this and call it a day. So yeah, while I'm doing this, I'm only doing 3 sections, and then I'm gonna add some cute butterfly clips on there as well, just to, you know, do something different. Y'all ain't know what I was doing. All right, so while I'm styling it real quickly, I'm just going to give you guys my overall view and thoughts of this unit thus far. Do be mindful that this is curly hair. Curly hair is high maintenance. This is colored hair as well, so if you can find any type of shampoo or conditioner that is for colored hair, that is definitely going to help in the longevity of your unit. Especially look for products that are for curly hair. As far as tangling, I did get a few snags and tags here and there. Like I said, I did have this wig sit for about 2 to 3 weeks before I actually installed it, so definitely need a little bit of moisture in there. As far as shedding, here and there, it was not, you know, it's just the normal amount that you expect from virgin hair in general. All virgin hair units shed. So here you guys can see me. I'm just doing a curly hair routine. Now, I seen this on TikTok and I was going to try it on my hair. So I did go ahead and wet the hair until it's like dripping wet, and then I followed up with some mousse. I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner as well. And then I just took it and started rolling it up on my finger. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I was on TikTok and I seen it and I was like, ooh, I want to try. When I said I didn't get the concept at first, it did not click in my head at all. And I was like, what am I doing? So I'm trying to do spiral curls, but you can do it this way too. I've seen the girlies do it like this, wrapping around your finger. For me, that's personally easier, but I didn't want to give up. So I did keep trying throughout the unit. I went ahead and defined the part with some concealers, and this is how the unit turned out. She turned out cute. It's a cute little style, okay? Like I said, I didn't know what I was doing, but I feel like it still turned out cute. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll rate this unit 1,000 out of 10. It's cute. It's a cute little vibe. I love this unit, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed again. Until my next video, girl, see you later. Bye, guys.